Hello everyone, this is Tirtharaj Mukherjee, and today in this video I will be explaining to you left join and right join, two fundamental concepts of database management system. So let's begin. All of us have filled up online forms, right? Maybe for the purpose of registering on a government website, or let's say signing up into an analytics institute. So have you ever wondered that where do this data actually go? Well, these data go into a database which is maintained by a database administrator in the backend. Let me illustrate the concepts of left join and right join using examples with which you can relate. I have a left table denoted by the symbol L, the registered students list having the names of 3 students, their IDs and cities, and a right table denoted by the symbol R, which shows a Spanish class start date, showing the class starting dates of only those students who have started their Spanish classes. I want a table in which all the students are shown and their respective class starting dates are shown. Now all students are present in the left table only. So for that I would be using left join. What it does is all the records of the left table will first be displayed and their matching records with the right table will be displayed. So 2 and 3 only are present and they match with right table and their dates are displayed. But what about 1? It doesn't have a start date, so it would be given null in the date column. One more example. There is a website called Hacker Moon on the moon, which is a community of coders over there. They have a list of 10 coders, and which is a left table, and a right table which consists of the planets obtained by all the students who have started their courses. Now planets are a kind of cookies or a points or brownie points you can say, which are given by the teachers over there to the students who are progressing in their courses. Now I want a coder planets, a table in which all the students are mentioned and their respective planets which they have obtained are mentioned. Now all students are present only in the left table. So once again I would be using a left join, which will display all the entries of left table first and the matching entries with the right table. 61927 will all be only getting the planets over there highlighted by the color blue, but what about 5 and 3 and 8? They are not there, so they will be getting null in their planets column. Alright, this is the concept of left join shown using colorful tables. All the entries of left table will first be displayed in the result table, the matching records would be displayed, and the unmatched ones will get a null value. This symbol is called left join, and it is also called left outer join interchangeably. Now left join is used to display records that have matching values in both tables using usually primary keys. All records of the left table will be displayed along with the matching entries from the right table, and any entry unmatched with the left table will render a null value in the result table, which we just have seen right now. Let's see some right join examples, which is the exact opposite of left join. I have the same tables, and in this case what I want a table in which only those students who have started their courses their names will only be shown. So only those students who have started their courses, they are mentioned in the right table. For that I would be using right join to show all the entries in the right table first and their matching entries from the left table. Alright, one more example. I have a course list in the denoted as left table, a students list denoted as right table, and I want a list in which all the students are mentioned along with their respective courses. So all the students are mentioned in the right table, so I would be using right join. But I can see a null over there. Why? Yes, it's because 44 is not present in the left table. It's wrongly mentioned. It is to be carefully observed. Srishti is present. If 4 had been there, she would have we would have seen that BI would be present here, but since 44 does not match with 4, we are getting a null over there. It is a crucial thing to be seen by the database administrators, and they should be wary of this. This is the concept of right join shown using colorful tables. Like the previous one, in this case the right entries in the table, the right table will be shown first and their matching entries will be displayed, and the unmatched one will get a null value. Similarly, right join is used to display records that have matching values in both tables, usually primary keys. All records of the right table will be displayed along with the matching entries from left table, and any entry unmatched with the right table will render a null value in the result table, which is the exact opposite of left join. Now with this, we have come to the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching the video. Subscribe to our channel for more such content. Hit the bell icon to never miss any update, and stay tuned for our upcoming videos.